This is Road to Wakas in Diliman. Congrats! Congratulations! Tara, picture tayo! Okay, what are your names?
Andre.
Andre and
Becca.
Becca. Okay, so our first question is, when will you say the right person is the right person?
Ano kapag siguro na-envision mo na yung future mo with them?
I think kapag kaya mo na talagang ibigay yung lahat regardless of ano yung mga naging problems nyo and napagdaanan nyo.
Kayang ibigay lahat? Paano kung binigay mo na ang lahat pero hindi pa sapat yon?
I think hindi siya yung para sa'yo.
Ito naman, kailan ka dapat bumitaw?
Ay, ako may sagot.
Ay, wow, parang game siya. Okay.
Siguro, kapag na-exhaust mo na lahat ng feelings mo, ng love and everything na meron ka sa.
Ano masasabi na exhaust mo na lahat?
Siguro kapag hindi mo na rin kayang magbigay pa ng more than you can give.
Yes. How about you, Andre?
I think kapag paulit-ulit na lang and then hindi nyo nare-resolve yung problem. So I think it's time na mag-grow apart na lang kayo.
Kumbaga naging routine na yung
Yes,
away
yes.
nyo, tugsisihin nyo.
Mm.
Alright, thank you so much guys.
Thank you.
And since our movie is named Tayo sa
Ay, sa
Wakas, please fill in the blanks. Sa Wakas, blank.
Sa wakas, ka-graduate na ako!
How about you?
Sa wakas, sasablay na ako!
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Ingat kayo. What's up guys? Ayun. Oh, sabihin natin pag hindi mo na kaya.
Abi?
Okay. So
Sir, may partner po ba kayo?
Meron na po ang asawa.
Ilang years na po kayo ng asawa niyo, sir?
20 years.
Wow, ang tagal. Ano po ba ang secret to a long-lasting relationship?
Siyempre, kailangan i-work out niyo yung relationship niyo, give and take.
Apo.
And then you have to accept yung, siyempre, hindi lang yung kahinaan niya, pati yung strengths niya.
Kailan niyo ba masasabi, sir, na siya na yung the one, katulad ng asawa niyo?
Yung 20 years na yon, hindi lang naman yung puro high, love, ganon. Siyempre, meron siyang mga challenges along the way. We keep the Lord as our center of our lives. So, kailangan na kailangan. Hindi lang kami yon, pati yung sa mga anak namin.
Ang ganda po nun. Dahil na 20 years na po kayo. Ano po ang advice nyo sa mga kabataan ngayon who would want to get into relationships?
First, don't rush into relationship. Kung kabataan ka pa, focus muna on your career. Kasi napaka-important rin, syempre, pera.
Of course.
Kasi yung love, nag-slow down siya. Hindi siya lagi parang in love ka along the way.
Tama.
So, kailangan din mabuhay. Kailangan hindi lang puro love. May mga anak kayo kailangan buhayin.
Kumbaga, mahalin nyo muna ang sarili nyo bago magmahal ng
Definitely.
iba.
Hindi mo may bibigay yun. Hindi mo naman mahal sarili mo. Eh, di ba?
Tama.
Hindi mo pwedeng hanapan yun sa iba.
Ang ganda,
Oo.
Sir Clark. Maraming salamat.
Thank you
Sir,
so much.
dahil po tayo sa wakas ang pamagat na pelikula namin, please just fill in the blanks. Sa wakas, blank.
Sa wakas, natagpuan ko yung pag-ibig.
Wow! Thank you so much, sir! Salamat po.
Gusto niyo po ba magkaisa sa asawa
Ay, yes
niyo?
po. Hi po kayo.
Hello, Leng.
Message.
Hindi ko man madalas sabihin, pero salamat at binigay ka sa akin ng Panginoon. I love you.
Miss Leng,
Hello.
maraming salamat sa pagmamahal.
There are
na binigay
reasons
niyo
that
kay
you
Sir
love a
Clark.
person from the start na won't change naman, and I think that's something worth fighting for.
Boom! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bakit yung pinili ang isa't isa?
Kasi she's very talk to.
He's my best friend.
Oh, cute naman. So why do you think people would want to stay in a relationship?
If nakikita mo na you will grow with someone, it's worth it to explore life na kasama yung taong yun. Then you will stay.
Then it's meant to stay. How about you?
When everything goes wrong in the world, siya pa rin yung binabalik-balikan.
Paano kung
Yung hair ni ate.
Oo nga. Pero paano kung nagbabago na yung isa?
Kasi syempre, di ba, let's say 2 years na kayo. hindi nyo naman maiwasan, nag-grow yung isa or merong limitations yung isa. Syempre in a relationship, we have different versions of ourselves. How can you say na that person is worth staying for?
Feeling ko po dapat as long as maganda or even if uncomfy yung changes na nangyayari sa isang tao, as long as maganda yung direction na papupuntahan niya and it's not gonna harm your relationship or each one of you individually, I think worth it po to explore yung patutunguhan nyo together kahit malaki yung pagbabago.
I think unrealistic naman if you say na this person will be the same person they'll always be. There are reasons that you love a person from the start na won't change naman, and I think that's something worth fighting for.
Oh, mic drop. What are your names?
River.
River, nice to meet you, bro.
Caitlin.
Caitlin, nice to meet you, Caitlin. Thank you so much for sharing. Sa wakas, blank. Ikaw muna, Caitlin.
Sa wakas, tapos na ang lahat.
Sa wakas, tapos na ang akats.
Yes! Galing! What are your names?
I'm Jana po.
Jana,
Iya.
Iya,
Angela.
and Angela. How would you say the right person is the right person?
They respect po your boundaries and like same interest personally actually.
Like kayo, kumbaga.
I can say na the right person is the right person if you feel like you can be your true self around them, na hindi mo tinatago kung sino ka. You don't make yourself small for them.
For me, what defines a right person as the right person for you would be a person that knows how to, play dance alongside you. In the sense of that, it's a partnership. You guys will have to compromise, but you guys will also have to find the things in which you are similar with. So it's like a dance.
And kailan nyo naman masasabi when a relationship is getting toxic na?
Kapag kunwari, di ka na, for me kasi, parang kumari, ginaghost ka na, parang ganun. Di ka na kino-consider siguro sa time nila. Pero kasi, also depends din kasi sa ano nyo. Kasi, napapabayaan ka na ganun. For me.
Okay.
For me naman, nagiging toxic na yung relationship if feeling mo nakakapagod na siyang pakisamahan. Pag parang mas napapagod ka kesa nagiging rest mo yung person.
It becomes toxic, I say, na before you get into a relationship, have a good grasp on yourself and what are the things that, as I've said before, you don't compromise on, so that you have a set mindset already of like, I think umabot na sa point na I'm not willing to compromise or leave this part of me behind to follow along with your whims. So that's when we'll stop the relationship.
Since our movie is called Tayo sa Wakas, we have a movie coming out on May 27. Just fill in the blanks. Sa wakas, blank.
Yes, sa wakas nakalaya na. Yeah.
Sino yan?
Sa wakas, nakauwi na.
Sa wakas, tapos na.